Vaccines. Let's talk. People write to me all the time. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Eric, what's your opinion of vaccines? I don't really want to go too deep into the conversation of vaccines because then somebody will want to take this video down if I have one opinion this way or one opinion that way. I want to share some things with you about vaccines. And I know some of you are pro-vaccine and some of you are against vaccine. And this message is for everybody in either of those camps. The flu vaccine, assuming that you are in the vaccine camp, it's about 60% effective according to the CDC. A very good vaccine is about 90% effective. What if I could tell you that there is a way to protect yourself against COVID that is more than 90% effective? At the very beginning of the lockdown, I uploaded a video to the internet and it went mildly viral. Now, a couple of million people saw it. I said that the best way to keep your immune system strong to defend against any pathogen would be to make sure that you were healthy. Now, at the time that I recorded that video and uploaded it, I got a lot of negative comments from people. Like, you don't understand immunology, you don't understand viruses. Only over the last several months, some things have come out. Some things have come out that are painful and inconvenient truths. Here's one of them. One of the most important factors in developing a serious COVID infection or dying from COVID is being obese. Another one, hypertension. Another one, autoimmune disease. Another one, diabetes. What do all these things have in common? They are lifestyle influenced. In fact, in one study I read in New York, it turns out that 48% of the people that succumbed to COVID-19 had 3 major underlying health problems. 3. Another 25% had 2 major underlying health problems. And another 25% had only 1. In fact, when you added up it was 48.9 and 25.6 or what have you. I don't remember the exact numbers, but it was a fraction of a single percent of people that died from COVID-19 who were healthy, which means that being healthy was 99% effective. What I want to say to you is that COVID-19, it's a problem. But I want to ask you this question. Wherever COVID came from, what do you think would happen if it snuck out in the 1950s? What about then? What about 1955? What do you think would have happened? I want to suggest to you nothing. Nothing would have happened because there was not enough obesity, there was not enough diabetes, there was not enough hypertension, there was not enough autoimmune disease for the disease to cause damage to the population. And so there would never have been a lockdown. There would never have been hospital surge. There would never have been ventilators except for a very small number of people that we would never heard of because the press wouldn't have had a story to write about. The entire world has changed from 1955 today because our diet has been destroyed. It's been destroyed by an unethical food industry. It's been destroyed by unethical politicians taking money from that unethical food industry. And so now we're confused. We're confused about what to eat and we've been hypnotized. They've bought our holidays, they've sponsored our special occasions, and they've bought our education. So we grow up believing things are good for us when they're not. We grow up believing we can't celebrate this holiday unless we have this food. And we grow up thinking we can solve this emotional problem with this disgusting food. What I want to do is suggest to you that all of that can be undone and that none of it is your fault, but it is your responsibility. Join me for a really powerful masterclass on how food really works, how nutrition really works for your body, and more importantly than that, food psychology, how you think about food, how you make your decisions about food, and how the food industry has hijacked your subconscious to get you to eat what they want you to eat. What I want to share with you is that you can have something we call food freedom. That is the freedom to eat what you want to eat, as much as you want of it, whenever you want, without feeling guilty, without feeling remorse. Does that sound good? And how about this? The ability to not eat what you wish you wouldn't eat without feeling any regret. Join me on the masterclass and we can change everything.